So it says solve the exponential equation. Express the solution in terms of natural logs or common logs. Then use a calculator to obtain a decimal approximation for the solution. Okay, so remember in the previous video, I stated that whenever you have a base 10, such as this example, 10 to the x power, base is 10, okay, our base is 10, then we're going to use common logs, okay, log. And then if it's not a base of 10, we would use natural log ln. Now, it really doesn't matter which one you use because at the end of the day, we talked about the change base formula. If we use natural logs or common logs, you still notice that the solutions are the same. But let's just go ahead and follow the instructions, what the rules, what it says here. So since we have base 10, and think about this because when we talked about in the last set of examples, trying to come up with the common base so we can find that solution for x. Well, we cannot come up with the common base. We can't change 2.92 to a base of 10. So this is where we would take the natural log or common logs. So what we're going to do, follow the instructions here. We're going to take the common log to both sides. So we have log base 10 of x is equal to, or excuse me, log of, it is base 10, but log of 10 of x, 10 raised to the x power, is equal to log of 2.92. Now remember, recall, okay, let me go back to my previous post here, that whenever we have log base 10 of 10 of x is going to give us x, but this is the initial um, formula. Log of, or log base b of b to the x power is going to give us that exponent. Okay, that's one way of looking at it. Or remember that because this is a power, we can use the power rule, okay, and bring the x in front. But I think it's easier if you remember this formula here. So this is log base 10 of 10 raised to the x power. That's going to give us x is equal to log of 2.92. So we're finished because our goal is to find x. When it says solve, we want to solve for that variable. Now, it says here we want to express the solution in terms of natural logs or common logs. Well, we have it expressed as log of 2.92. So that's part A, where we express it as a common log. Now we want to express our common log as a decimal. So this is where we're going to have to use our calculator. So let's go to our calculator. And then we're going to put in log of 2, excuse me, 2.92. Let's close it and press enter. And we're going to round to, let's see, how many does 2 decimal places. Okay, round to your answer to 2 decimal places. So you see that we have 0 point, we'll say x is equal to 0.4653828514, but we only need to look at the first 2 digits. So let's look at this 6 here. Look to your right. If the digit to the right is 5 or greater, we're going to add 1 to the 6. So we will have to add 1 to the 6. So our decimal answer would be 0.47. And there we go.